Hello, are you ready for the present continuous today? Okay, that tense sometimes is very difficult for many ESL students because most of them don't have the idea that we need to put verb to be plus the verb plus ing in order to form the present continuous. And you will see that when you practice. So, what is the meaning of the present continuous or the present progressive? Both mean the same thing. The present continuous implies that someone is doing something at the time of speaking. So, for example, I'm explaining the present continuous now. I'm giving a presentation now. In other words, this means that someone has been doing something for a while and that action hasn't been completed at this moment. So, we use expressions like now and at the moment to express the present continuous. We also use the present continuous to talk about something that is happening in a longer present time. For example, this month, this year, these days, and nowadays. Even if this action is not happening right now. We are studying math this month. There are also other uses for the present continuous that you will study in advanced levels. So how do we form the present continuous? So we need to have the verb to be after the subject, which is either am, is, or are, plus the main verb plus ing. So again, we have the subject plus verb to be. It's either am, is, or are, plus the main verb plus ing. So let's look at some examples. She is writing a letter. We are writing a letter. I am writing a letter. So we have she plus verb to be is plus the verb write plus ing. The second example, we plus verb to be are and write plus ing. The same thing, I'm writing a letter. I, the subject, plus am, verb to be, and the main verb write plus ing. Okay, so let's look at these exercises. I, football. Okay, so which is the correct answer? Okay, I am playing football. Okay, great. She, soccer. Am playing, is playing, or are playing. Okay, so she usually takes S. So she's playing soccer. We, playing the piano. So, which one is correct? We are. So, we are playing the piano. Okay, that's great. Now we move on to the negative form of the present continuous. Negative means not. It's the opposite of the affirmative. Okay, so we form it by adding not or nt, n apostrophe t, to the auxiliary verb. In other words, the helping verb. So, if we say that the affirmative sentence from this one is she is writing a letter, so the negative form is she isn't writing a letter or she is not writing a letter. We aren't writing a letter. I am not writing a letter. You can also say I'm not. So we just delete the A and put an apostrophe and the M. Okay, so let's do some exercises. So change the sentences below into negative sentences. I'm watching TV. So what do you think? We said that we need to put not, okay, after the verb to be. So I am not watching TV. I am talking. Same thing. I am not talking. They are drawing. they are not or they aren't drawing. He is opening the window. Okay, I'll try to give you some time to think of that. Okay, what do you think? Yes, he's not opening the window, or he isn't opening the window. Angela is cleaning the bathroom. So what do you think? How to change the sentence into a negative sentence? Yeah, Angela isn't cleaning the bathroom, or Angela is not cleaning the bathroom. Okay, so here are the correct answers. Okay, how to form questions. For the present continuous, we usually use inversions. Inversions. What's an inversion? An inversion is that you go to the sentence. The sentence usually has the subject at the beginning, the verb, the auxiliary verb, and the main verb plus ing. So we make the inversion. We change the position of the helping verb and the subject. So the helping verb comes first and the subject comes next. So is she running? She is running. Is she running? Okay. So verb to be first, subject, main verb, plus ing. Okay. So we need to think of the inversion whenever we are using a helping verb. So change the sentences below into questions. These were the same questions we used in the negative, changing the sentences into negative. Now I'm using the same exercise but for a different reason, which is changing them into questions. So, I am watching TV. Well, basically with am, you're talking about yourself, so you can't ask yourself, am I watching TV? That's insane. So, somebody else would ask you that, okay? So, if someone else is asking you, so what would they say? Okay. Yes. Okay, so they're gonna say, are you watching TV? Are you watching TV? Okay, the same thing applies with number 2. I am talking. So, imagine that you are in the classroom and your teacher is asking you, are you talking? Okay, so, number 3. They are drawing. They are drawing. Okay, how can we change it into a question? The inversion. Remember the inversion. If we put the subject and the verb, the helping verb, in the opposite places. So are would be first, they would be second. Okay, so are they drawing? Okay, number 4. He is opening the window. I'm waiting for your answers. Yes, that's correct. Is he opening the window? Angela is cleaning the bathroom. Is Angela cleaning the bathroom? Okay, let's look at the answers. So, I'm watching TV. Are you watching TV? They're drawing. Are they drawing? He's opening the window. Is he opening the window? Angela is cleaning the bathroom. Is Angela cleaning the bathroom? Okay.